Hey everyone, my name's Osama and I'm a nuclear engineer in training. Today I'll be doing a challenge and I want all of you to join me in this challenge. It will be a dopamine detox challenge, specifically a 4 application on my phone challenge for 2 weeks, okay? And I'll be going into what exactly is a dopamine detox, why it's important, and why I'm choosing to do this challenge. All right. So to start off, what is a dopamine detox? A dopamine detox is a bit of a reset. It's a bit of a fast in a sense. So instead of preventing yourself from eating or drinking water, you are resetting your brain. In our world, in our current society, we're living in a society where dopamine hits are being taken by our minds all the time, whether it be fast food, entertainment, okay, social media is a big one, okay, Facebook, and all of these things, these social media presence, our food, our diet, our relationships are so short-term pleasures, rather than having a long-term vision, long-term fulfillment. A lot of these systems that have been put in place are short-term pleasures that spike your dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical, it's a neurotransmitter that's spiked in anticipation of a reward, okay? So for example, when you're about to eat a large cake piece, dopamine isn't released exactly when you digest or eat the cake and put it in your mouth. It's released in anticipation of that reward. And this is my first time going on this type of challenge. The reason why I'm doing this challenge is to maximize productivity. I really want to maximize the amount of productive things, fulfilling things that I do per day. I want to maximize those long-term rewards, like exercising, like becoming a producer and becoming less of a consumer. My relationships with my friends, with people, with my family, with people around me. I want to put fertilizer there. The one thing that really halts me, okay, is this right here. It's this device. It's my cell phone. And I'm sure a lot of you face the same issue. I've tried many applications and many methods, and I feel I need a break for a long period of time. Here's how I'm gonna do it. All right, so I'm sharing my screen with you very soon. And the app that I will be using, it's called Off the Grid. It's a digital detox application. What I really love about this app is you can basically schedule when you want to be off and on. You can set certain applications off and on. Right now, I chose 4 applications on my phone that I'm gonna turn on, which are WhatsApp, so for messaging friends, messages, so just simple texting. Notion, which is for note-taking, planning my day, my agenda, different schedules, okay? And Forest. Forest is an app which helps me track time on different tasks, video editing, so many different ways. The date is Tuesday, August 25th. Tuesday, August 25th at the moment. And my dopamine detox will end on September 8th. Okay, unfortunately, I cannot show you how the app works and how it blocks me from accessing a lot of my data. The reason why is because my phone has prevented me from even using the screen recorder on the phone itself, okay? Which is a bit of a problem, but no worries, that's okay. A common question might be, why these extreme measures? Why, Osama, are you torturing yourself? And I'll tell you the simple reason why. For me, the value of time and utilizing time for high quality tasks is really important to my life. So I'd rather, for 1 hour, read a book, have a nice conversation, rather than scroll through Instagram or watch a random YouTube video. That's what I value in my life. Giving up, sacrificing those short-term pleasures will add up to long-term rewards in the long run. What I really want to do with this is prime my brain, prime my mind to become someone, to become someone that I want to be. Okay, and the best way is to go on that dopamine detox. When your mind is deprived of that stimulation, is what I'm aiming for, is depriving my mind of stimulation. My mind, the human, will automatically try to find stimulation in different parts of their life. Difficult things that I want to become stimulating is my job, the work that I'm doing. Habits that will develop a healthy foundation for the rest of my life, like fitness, eating healthy, becoming a producer, creating educational content, and a lot of the other things that I find difficult in life. These are some of the long-term goals that I kind of wanna see from this dopamine detox, and I really wanna keep you guys updated as to what happens as a result of this dopamine detox. I want my phone to become a tool, okay? Your phone, your device, I want my devices to be a tool, something that I'm using in my toolbox at all times, whether it be a stopwatch, an internet browser, a note-taking app, a fitness log, a habits tracker. I want my phone, my device, to become something more than just a social media short-term reward stimulus, okay? I want this to be a tool, okay, that I run and that doesn't run me, all right? And I think this is one really effective way to approach that situation. It's something that I've wanted to do for a really long time, and I find that this YouTube channel has really given me the courage to start this process, okay? To put my foot forward and say that, hey, Osama, listen, you gotta control your, limit your time on your phone, okay? Limit that stimulus and give yourself a mental break. There are some exceptions to the clause. I do have my laptop there, so which I will be using my email and some other really important things for. I won't be active on Instagram, unfortunately, right? Or Facebook, but I do plan on using these chat features because I don't see them as short-term hits. Yeah, I'm really excited for this dopamine detox. What I look forward to is, first of all, improvement in sleep, okay? Improvement in physical health and fitness, the amount of time that I'm pushing in there. Number 3, becoming more of a producer. I want this dopamine detox to improve my creativity, okay? For me to take more risks in life, and for me to become more connected with the people that I love, all right? And these are my goals for this dopamine detox, and this app, Off the Grid, will really help with that. Yeah, I look forward to staying accountable for you guys. And if you want to join me, please be sure to email me. So yeah, thank you so much for listening to me. I really encourage you to go on this challenge with me. Take this challenge on, whether it be 4 apps, 3 apps, 2 apps, or even 1 app. I think you will really benefit from this journey, okay? Keeping control of our minds, our mental health, and keeping that fire alive of creativity, of self-development, and just those small habits, I think is essential. So please join me in this journey, and I really look forward to coming out successful. So thanks for listening, guys, and I look forward to chatting with you soon. See you in 2 weeks, September 8th. See ya.